It's sunny today. Yes. Hiya.
Hi.
Mm.
Sige na, prep na!
Mga nalagi ko.
Okay, tara. Sige.
Ikaw na lang akong agdan.
Yeah, just moisturizer and then I'm done.
Alright.
And some sunscreen.
Alright.
Sunscreen.
Alright. Bye. Hi guys.
Good morning.
It's already 11:15 a.m.
Oh my God, dugay kayo na mata.
Dugay kami na kamata.
But it's
yeah,
a sunny day outside.
It's a sunny day outside.
So,
Bago kay December tapos sunny. We seldom get this during, winter season. Usually gloomy good, pero
It's
grabe. Thank you
been
Lord
really
for
nice.
a sunny day.
so far.
And Saturday pag yun, so
Tsada ilag.
saday lang. Ikaw may maglaag, rin ko.
Tama.
Anyway, yes, so yesterday we did our day 1 sa among gift giving, and wala gito naka-receive ko SD card, siya naka-receive ko siya perfume.
Which
So,
reminds me,
yes. Sana all fresh.
quite literally, bago kami nag-roll out of bed and just did some, skincare and stuff. Pero now, like we said, second day of our gift giving.
Yep. So, day 2 na mo karon kay tungod lagi sabot ng good ni kay nga mo gud siya lakaon niya. So ano ko, kada na lang siguro something na for mornings. So mo to naka-decide me nga ang among theme for today is something to savor in the morning.
Okay.
Alright, rock, paper, scissors, say
Hindi,
na.
kay ako,
Ikaw man ang call.
ako
Ako
first
na.
yesterday, so ikaw na punta.
Okay. Sige, okay.
So, ready na?
Hindi, yes, ready na. Asa mo feeling ni mo ang gift na ko?
For the morning?
Yes.
What? Kani?
No. Ako na lang.
Kani?
No.
Kani?
No.
Kani?
No. Ako na lang gali.
Okay.
Take this off.
Sure ka?
Nope. Di na mauli. Take this off.
Ala.
For sure, this is not it.
Mm.
This is
Nakalako
it.
ba? Okay, yeah.
Yay.
Oh.
So, muna akong gift sa iya.
May kadako ba?
Lagi.
Uy, bugat kayo siya, guys.
Ayaw
Murag kabalo ko.
Ayaw kay ikaw.
Hindi na ka maghapon.
Ha?
Hindi na ka maghapon to buy that.
Secret. Ay, nabukutan na.
I feel like I know what it is. Oh my God.
Okay, sige. Guess.
I think it's food.
Of course, something to savor in the morning.
Okay, I think it's food.
Okay. Sige, ako i-hold.
It's a
Ayaw!
Pwede yung smell.
What is smells?
Kaya food.
Ano ko? Dapat ma-abrin hindi ko ang ginapapanos.
Mapanos.
Sige.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Hindi siya ma-smell.
Hindi siya ma-smell.
I feel like it's... Bakit siya ba? I feel like it's donuts.
Donuts. You think it's donuts? Okay.
Or
Or
cinnamon.
cinnamon.
Okay.
Okay.
Wala ko ganahan po siya cinnamon. So, kaambi siya kapil. So sad. I feel like... Sige.
Sige, go.
Meron ako ha.
Sige, ano ako makita dito?
Sige. Sige na ako yung taski. Okay, para.
Sama na, be? Nakaklo. Sama na.
Ay, what? Pero dili siya packaging sa cinnamon.
Okay.
Or... It's cinnamon.
Hindi na ba? Pero naka-Christmas package.
Tama, ginihin ko. Oh my God.
Cinnamon! Yay!
Yay, nalipay siya kapil.
Di pa yung apel. Nakuha na ko ang pan.
Paludo.
Diba?
Abi na kung dili siya cinnamon kay kuan.
Lagi kay blue.
Di ba blue?
Pero nasa yun.
Christmas package.
Alam mo, wala pag tumagtawag, matatagapon na. Nani, abot na kung kuan, delivery.
Ay, di ba delivery?
Delivery.
Amazing. The effort
yeah.
though.
Oh,
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon! Baka
Oh
naman.
my gosh.
Wow.
Whoop. Baka naman. So, day
Yes.
2, gift for something to save for Christmas.
Dati
Ay, for
naman.
Christmas, for breakfast.
Dati for brunch.
Okay. Brunch na gid ni kay 11 na.
11 na.
Thank
Okay.
you, babe.
Thank you. Okay.
Ay, sige, kiss him.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
next. Ikaw.
Ikaw, fine. Which one do you think is yours?
Is it this?
No. I don't think makita ni mo.
Nasa ilalong ka ni?
No, dili po. Ako na lang.
Asan? Nasa ref? Ay, kani? Uy, unsa na mga nipis kayo mga gifts ako, maro kay ka.
Unsa man lugar dili?
Letter.
It's a letter.
Okay.
It's a letter.
It's a letter
Pero- pero
enjoy
pag-
breakfast.
Enjoy breakfast.
Grabe ka.
Grabe kayo pa. Yan lang. Pero pagbasa ni mo, ani, di ba, i-open na ni mo ang letter.
Nalamig ko sa pop-up.
Di-
Smile before you open. Naman.
Hindi, pag-open ni mo, iana sa dayon. Ika na i-flip sa dayon. Pero hindi mo mabasa ang likod. Di ba, pag-open?
Gift card. Hindi mo silver sa morning.
Paminaw. Iana, iyan. Pero wala.
Okay,
Di ba,
okay,
open
okay.
ni mo. Iana dito pa, di mo mabasa.
Okay,
Ah,
sige. Okay. Pamahap.
Ikaw na!
Okay. Dahil Yana din ako. Yana. Anak.
Ah.
Basta
Iana.
to.
Kadasa.
Okay.
Oh, basaha.
Hey my love, happy 2nd of the 12th of our 12 days of Christmas 2024. Ready to head out? My gift today is this 10 pounds worth of Brenda's Cafe Savor British breakfast.
Exactly. Savor.
Uy, lamig niya kaya ang British breakfast ako an. Brenda's.
Na-disappoint ka.
Sa point. Na-shock ko kaya anak ko. Kung saan naman ang oras? Apri ka sila karon.
Apri sila ko kita
Apri-
na.
okay. Oh, di ba? Naka-free breakfast pa ko. Wala mo, dessert.
So, are you ready to head out?
Kami. Pambalay na kayo sa ito. Iyan bigay ko ipa-prepare. Ipagawas.
Di ba ko? Totoo, dahil naman ang ganda.
Gawas naman ang ganda. Sige.
Grabe.
We'll show you guys. Sa naman. Naka-vlog naman ta about Brenda. So, katong,
Exactly,
scroll
Ana.
lang ninyo before. Unsa tong
Dami
Brenda's
mga
din.
clues, gipanghatag before. Ano po nga. Experience siya, pero nahimo na nato siya before.
Okay.
Nagets ni mo.
Nagets din ako. Abi na kong direkto pang date to. Abi na kong something experience like something kuan, something mga future themes na to. Karon di ay.
Oh, you'll never know.
Wow, excited ko. Legit. Mabusog yun ko.
Exactly.
Yes.
Savory. Because it's savory.
Yeah. Tinoon. Okay.
Savory.
Okay. Alright, see you in a bit, guys.
See you in a
Paban mo sa mga
bit,
sa pabong
Mag.
pag-breakfast.
Mag-savory breakfast sa me.
Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go! Magali Sunny!
Correct. Ready na ka? Breakfast?
Yes, sir! Brunch na ni, kaya mga alas 12 na. Ay, lunch na gid lunch.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go.
Wala mong view, guys.
Nice kayo basta sunny, no?
Hindi ko siya nakatugno. That's Brenda's Cafe.
Yeah. Fried mushrooms and true hash. How about you? What are you getting? What are you getting? What are you getting?
All English lagi.
Full English with
Yeah, thanks for the treats.
thank you.
Paid for it.
10 pounds and more. Waiting for our
Waiting game. Lunchtime na gid finally.
breakfast. our brunch to come. What are you doing while waiting?
Nakakang picture.
11:55.
55 na. Scroll na lang po while waiting. Pero excited ako sa food.
What did you get again?
Full English breakfast.
Breakfast.
Full English breakfast. Tapos
Ang sa'yo mong sides?
hash and mushroom. Ano kong
Oh,
favorite?
yes. Actually, same to.
Tweeting that. Tweeting.
I hope you like it.
For sure.
Alright.
Muna sa Samoa. Tapos muna siya ang nearest na breakfast place. And dili pa gid makadisappoint.
Yeah.
Makadisappoint.
You can't go wrong with the full English.
Can't go wrong with Brenda's breakfast. Brenda's cafe.
Oh.
That's
I-plug yun, kaya ba't sinikwaon ka? Charot na.
Uy, sabi
Endorser
mo,
sa,
bigyan na.
endorser sa kuhaan sa Brenda's. Sige, go. Let's,
Gusto kang coffee? Good tea.
maybe tea, no? While waiting. Sige, we'll get one. Something to sip lang. Okay, bye.
Hindi, tama, Brent King din. Sana all.
Still so hot though, it's spicy. Finally, niabot ra gyud. Be?
Yes, sir. Hindi ba kanilang mushroom? Favorite mo?
I hope you like it.
Thank you for this gift.
Huh?
Thank you for this gift.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, let's start eating. Kay grabe, gutom na kayo siya, Mays. Okay.
Good morning, guys. So it's already our third day and karon sa pinakamata kay ganing nagparty gahapon.
Yes.
It's already 11:07 a.m.
Oh
Diba?
God, grabe. Although it was a very fantastic night, I was with my colleagues.
Yeah.
And after which we went out with our friends. So we went home about what? What time did we go?
Around 2 a.m.
2?
or
Oh my
yeah, so 2 a.m. na. I'm not sure. Wala ko kabalo ko unsa na to time pero basta super late na to. Wala lang gid kaayo mga tao sa gawas. But yes, so it's already our third day and among theme, sorry pag-okay ko. Ang among theme karon nga day is something cozy.
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Okay, because Sunday mo so usually pag Sunday nalagay mi sa balay, tambay ra gid mi, chill ra gid mi. Pero lahi among Sunday karon kay namo gid mi mga Christmas party so kailangan mo lakaw again kay napalit mi og mga gifts pod. But anyway, generally every Sunday nalagay mi sa balay.
Yes.
Diba? Tambay ra mi, talo ra mi salida, igda ra mi. So mura gid na ang among Sunday. So anyway,
If wala ko yung work. If wala ko yung work.
if wala kay work, yes.
Pero yes, should we start
Yes.
now? Yeah?
Start ka, ako man kaya kagahapon.
Ako.
Ikaw na said.
So I'm not gonna let you choose and I've got it here.
Mhm.
Ooh. Oh my god, nakatanggal lang yan.
Kailan?
Ta-da! It's not flannels. It's a repurposed packaging because we need to save Mother Earth.
Yep.
Okay. Here
So,
you go. What do you think it is though?
Kaya nako, Juan, blanket.
Blanket?
I don't know if it's a blanket or kanang hoodie blanket. Yeah.
Okay, sige.
So I'm not quite sure kung unsa pero alright.
Let's open it.
Let's open it. We'll see.
Tanggalan na ng scotch.
Oh. Cute kayo.
It's Baby Yoda!
Yes, Baby Yoda, na hoodie blanket. Wala na ba yung ngani? Kung gusto niya, kabalo siya, na gusto ko
Yes.
magingani. Pero, kalang every time mo maglakaw mi, marami itong lahi among priorities. Hindi rin makahapit sa mga ingani. Wow!
I know you like R2-D2, di ba?
Yes, R2-D2.
I know you like Star Wars, I know you like R2-D2, pero wala R2-D2.
Like, okay na. Okay na.
Pero,
gusto ko.
Yoda is so
Master
cute.
Yoda. Yep.
Gabi siya ka-soft. Gusto na ko siya
Be. Ang soton.
one size upon siya, so I can't, there's no other like option.
Oh, pasigo siya for a fat guy like me.
Oh,
Wow.
ano daw? Kita siya daw.
Nice.
Oh, grabe ko cute! Tapos yung ears. Oh!
May napan ako pa din. Social, out of the budget, no,
Oh,
babe.
it is.
Mahal na gali nidaan, out of the budget, but yes. So it's a hotel chocolate na salted caramel drinking chocolate. Kaya kabalo gina si Redja nga kuan kanang unsan ako ka-love ang chocolate drink. Yes, pero wow, salted caramel pag isa sa akong mga favorite
Yes.
flavors ang salted
Same.
caramel, especially ice cream. Di ba? Salted caramel good. So kaya akong current coffee food karon Nescafe siya pero with caramel, di ba?
yes.
So I really love anything caramel.
Nahawak
Wow, hotel chocolate social.
Of course.
Di ba? Thank you.
It's a barat dan.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wow, wala ka expect
I hope you like it. Because ang akong kuan is, like for example, nata sa couch, magiging ka, snuggle, and then drink the chocolate.
Oh,
Char!
lagi.
Diba?
That's what you always do.
Yeah, that's
Or
what
before
we always
coffee
do
lang,
anyway.
coffee sorry. Pero karon, di ba? Okay, lahi mo ang season kag Christmas, di ba usually hot chocolate gina sila. Hot chocolate with marshmallow.
Oh.
Nang pandemic
Correct.
during Christmas time. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Happy Christmas. Happy
Happy
third Christmas. All right, so
It's my
it's
turn.
my turn to give the gift.
Is it-
So it's my turn to give the gift.
Yeah, to give you the gift.
Yes.
I think you repurpose the
Repurpose
package.
Japon. Yes.
Okay.
Pero a quick disclaimer. Wala rin ko expect na basin na siya yung ani na. Pero lately na-realize ko, hala, dapat di siya yung ani.
It's okay.
Kaya wala siya yung ani.
It
So,
means ganahan ko. Kaya na ko yung
I know, naganahan ka.
Oh.
It was supposed to be, gabing quick siya ka disclaimer, taas kayo siya. It was supposed to be the first, anyway, just open
sige,
it.
fine.
Just open it.
Wala na mag-explain ng kono, pero yeah. Ay, muna to, di ka.
Hindi ba, wala, oh.
Explanation.
Oo.
Anyway, rip it! Rip it open. Kaya na sila, i-rip down niyo mo. Mas,
Yeah.
mas swerte.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. OMG! Oh my god. I love a good set of pajamas.
Oh.
So cute and Christmas colors.
This was supposed to be the day one, something red.
Yeah, pero
Wala,
ganati
wala.
ko. Oh, thank you so much.
Is it the same with the one you wore, like?
The first, ang pareha siyang
2 days
pattern
ago.
sa katong first day nga,
Yeah.
and red po to, pero ang iyang fabric is
Different.
different.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Kay kato, grabe to ka, kuan. It was
Oh.
given by my aunt. Shout out to Auntie Ellen.
Okay.
But, yeah, kuan to siya ka, grabe to siya ka warm.
Yeah.
Like kung mag-snow.
Okay.
Yun.
I was actually thinking about buying you the red silk one. Pero nag-think ko basta dili siya season kaya usually basta silk
Yeah.
kaya bugnog karon. So gusto ko
Cotton
paano
is nice.
cotton at the same time may Christmas patterns eh. So mabi ang reason kay Christmas save ya karon.
Yes. Should we... should I wear it? Should I wear
Pero
it?
naman tomorrow na lang
I'll
sa
wear
next
it
time.
over. I'll try it on. I mean.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, babe. I really like it.
You're sure?
Yes.
Yay!
Of
Success! Happy ako all the while ako, hala, can remember ko sa I don't know if you remember, but sa previous day nga matong day 1, yung nga niyang gisuot, so ko, oh my God, kasi
No,
ma-disappoint
I
siya
love
because
it.
it's
I
the
love
same pattern. Because I really forgot na siya yung mga ingana.
Sige ko.
Kay late di wala naman naging nagamit kay di lang ba kay tugnaw karon late di nga tugnaw na iyang use so wala naman siya ingana so basin makuan so banga balik-balik
Very
same so I'm so happy na appreciate niya ma.
It's Sigo.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yay.
I love it. Oh, mas cry mo ko.
Merry Christmas, happy
Merry
third
Christmas.
day.
Kiss na lang.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
so much for your
Yes,
gift.
yes.
Should we drink chocolate na?
Yep.
Okay.
So, yep,
That's
that's it
it
for
for
a third
third
day.
day.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
guys. Bye.
Mwah.
Yep, so eating breakfast now from our gifts yesterday. Diba?
Oh my gosh!
Cinnamon!
buns!
Cinnamon buns! Cinnamon!
Cinnamon buns!
Yeah.
I'm gonna make the hot chocolate drink for us both. So, oat milk.
What lagi? Chocolate drink, gid ni?
Yes.
Mm.
Hot milk.
Amazing.
Hot chocolate. Smells so good.
Lagi.
5.
5. 6 na lang.
So, my God.
So, kailangan to siya initon.
Oh,
How do we make init? Okay.
6.
Yeah.
Next, then. Ako naman siya like this. Okay.